Hello friends, I am Aditya from CSCIT class. Today we talk about environment. So let's start. What is environment? An environment is everything that is around us, which includes both living and non-living beings, such as air, water, sand, plants and animals. Environment are mainly divided into two categories. Biotic environment. It includes all living organisms such as animal, birds, forests, insects, reptiles, and microorganisms. And the second is abiotic environment. It includes all non-living components such as air, cloud, dust, land, mountains, uh, rivers, temperature, humidity, water, sand, etc. And the environment components are natural, man-made, and humans. Importance of environment. Earth is a home for different living species, and we all are depend on the environment for food, shelter, air, water, and other needs. Therefore, it's important to save our environment. The impact of human activities on the environment. There are many different types of human activities that directly impact to the environment. Acid rains, acidification of oceans, changes in the climate, deforestation, depletion of an ozone layer, disposal of hazardous wastage, global warming, overpollution, population, etc. If we don't take care of our environment, our future will be lots of problems. Thank you.